Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nera, and in today's video, I will show you how to install WordPress on Ubuntu. WordPress is basically a free and open source CMS. CMS means Content Management System, using which you can easily create your website. So, what we will cover in this video is this. After installing it, enter the database username and then install it. If you want to skip any part, you can do so through the timeline given in the description below. You can go to any part of this freely. First of all, you have to create a VPS, and the VPS provider that I am using is DigitalOcean, and you have to click on Create Droplet. And you have to click on the Droplet. I have already made videos on installing Webmin here. I had earlier created a mail server in Webmin, so you can see that too from here. Okay. So from here you have to select the version of Ubuntu. I will select the 18.04 version, and for the machine here, I will select the $80 option, because this will run a little faster. Okay, and after that you can select any data center from here. Whatever data center you select, you will get the IP of that region. After that comes the root password. You have to enter the root password here, so I will generate I will generate the password. I will generate it. Okay, everything will be in front of you, and from here I will look for a strong password. I clicked on generate and put it here. Okay. And keep the password that you received as the root password. After this, you have to enter the name of your website in the hostname field. So in this video, I am going to use this domain, which is from Freenom. Okay, I will copy it and put it here. And clicked on Create Droplet. As soon as you create the droplet, you will get an IP. You can click on it here. You can also check your IP's blacklist status on mxtoolbox.com to see if this IP is blacklisted or not. Because some IPs are already blacklisted. If you find one already blacklisted, then you have to delete the droplet and create it again. Okay. So in this video, because I only want to demonstrate, I don't work for mailing, but I check from here every time whether the IP is blacklisted or not. Right now I'll quickly check whether the IP is clean or blacklisted. So my IP is clean. Look here, 0 spam is showing, so my IP is clean. After this, I have to copy this IP and I will reload it from here. After this, I go to DNS settings here. Now let's connect this IP and this domain from here. So here you have to do this. Okay. I provide the record and enter the IP address. There's no need to apply edits etc. here. If you are doing any editing, then the edit is applied here. Here it should remain like this by default, and click on Save Changes. After some time, both domain and IP will be connected. Okay, now you have to open PuTTY. After opening PuTTY, you have to copy your IP and paste it here and open it. Click on Yes. And login is root, enter root and hit enter. Now you have to enter the password. This is my password. I will copy it from here and paste it here. Right-click the mouse and entered. Now you have logged into the root folder, so the fastest way to do that is to install Webmin. Okay, install Webmin. I have given a guide for it here. Post-install steps for your website. Come here and you will find that how to install Webmin guide. Okay. All the commands etc. that I will use are given here and all the screenshots. Subscribe through that also if you want to. Okay, so the command here for installation is given here. I will copy it from here. You paste it here. Okay, now I will copy it from here and paste it here. After this, you have to type Y here and click enter. That's all I have to do. After that, it will get installed in 4 or 5 minutes. After that, I'll continue. Once the installation is done, I will tell you. People in Webmin. So here the Webmin installation has been completed. Check here, the status should be installation complete. After that, check here. You have to copy from here. To do this, copy and paste it in the URL bar. After pasting, the SSL option is visible here. Click on Advanced and then click on Proceed to Website. If it does not connect, then you have to type the IP address of the website and then put 2 colons after it and then put 10,000 here. Okay, now it is asking for root and password. After that, I do this, copy password, this is my password, this is my username, root, okay. After this, you have to sign in. I have also mentioned here that for login, whatever your domain is, you have to write 10,000 after putting 2 colons, okay, and whatever it is, you have to paste it in the browser. Here I am logged into Webmin. After that I click on Next here. After clicking on Next, here there's an option to choose which type of web server you want to keep. It's your choice, so I will do it from here. Click Next, OK. I have given a detailed guide for this here. You can also follow it from here. And no, if you do any of this, i.e. these extras, then it will consume more of your RAM. So here we'll use less RAM, okay? After this you have to skip here because I do not want to create a name server here. If you want to create a name server, only then you can do it here. In this, you have to do only as spa password. But if any person who has a VPS knows the password, then I will do it from here, no thanks, because after completing it here, I will show you how to create it. If you want to do this, then you will have to do the self-signed certificate of this type. That means let's do the self-signed certificate of these. If you subscribe to that one, then I will do this. Click Next, click Next. This is completed. Now you have to click on these check and refresh configurations. So after applying all these things here, you will have to create a virtual server and click on it here. After this, click Return to Virtual Server List, OK. So right now if you don't have anything here, then either click on Add New Virtual Server from here or click on the Created Virtual Server from here, OK. After that, all I have to do is name the domain. Just copy the name and paste the first 2, OK. Ajay has the password. Keep it same. Admin server is asking for the password. After that, there are some advanced settings here. Enable this feature. Set up SSL website on it and some options appear here. Whatever you want to do here, you can enable it from here, okay. You can also set IP etc. from here. If additional IP setting is also added in it, then you can set that also from here, and after this you have to click on Create Server. So now this first part has been completed. The installation of Webmin has just been completed. After that you have to create a user. Now you have to come here, return. After some time there is a problem in Webmin that the connection gets lost, so leave it. The connection will be reconnected automatically from here. If not, then from here go to the URL bar. This session is not erased. Press enter, OK. If it's not coming, then I will do it by going here and click. Proceed to website. Now my second option is create user. So create user. I have to go here. I have to go to edit user. No, I have to go to this. By default, one user is created. But from here I do add user to this server. Okay, so first you take admin. The password is, keep it as same, copy and OK, and after this I click. So this one has been completed. After that you have to create a database, OK, or create database. So come here. If you are not able to create a database here, then come here. You have to come to edit virtual server. After that come to enable features, and here you have to tick mark on MySQL database enable and click on save virtual server. After that, MySQL will be installed from here, OK, and here your database menu is presented here, database, OK. So you have to click on create a new database here. I will name the database WordPress, OK, and click on create. After clicking, you have to again come to edit user, and the username that you had created, admin, you have to edit it a little bit. And here there is another user permission. So here it is allow access to database. So whatever database of your WordPress, you have created it. To give access to this, click OK from here and do this from here as well and click on Save. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. We enter the password here, paste OK, and the access is here, and I click on Save. Okay, the work is completely done here. After that you have to install WordPress. So to install WordPress you will have to download WordPress. So look here, press download. Okay, download. Come here to the download page. Here download this WordPress 5.6. Let's download it. So this zip file is being downloaded. It is approximately 15 megabytes, and after that you have to come here in the file manager. After coming to the file manager, you have to upload it here. This downloading is complete. From here go to file and upload to current directory. Now okay, dragging and dropping, you can do it from here. So by dragging from here, I will drop it here. See, one file is selected. Click on it. Click on it. See, it is getting uploaded. Okay. As soon as it is uploaded, it is done here. Click on it, right-click and come down and click on Extract. Then the zip file will get extracted here. OK. So it has been extracted here. So it has just been done in this folder. So all the files in this folder, let's put them in our previous folder. So from here, let's cut it and go to the page and public_HTML and paste it here. Look here, all the files have been placed here. Now what you have to do is go to this domain and add /install. Or you can do this. Here the WordPress installation file has come up. You have to select language here. Click on Continue. You have to click on Let's Go, and here it is asking for the database name, username, password, etc. OK. So the name of the database will be found here when you click on Edit Database. So the database that we had created was WordPress. So I copied this exact thing and went inside it. I copied it and went here and pasted it. OK. And then go to Edit User. My username is admin. OK, because this is the username that I had created and the password is this. I pasted it here, localhost, and if you want to keep it then keep it, otherwise you can also delete it, and clicked on Submit. Okay, so you will have to complete it here. So I will enter the password here again in localhost and all the settings. After this I submit like this. Let's click on Submit. If some error is coming here, then let's see what the problem is. Keep it here. I give it admin. I copy the password correctly. OK, paste the password here. I will check it again in the database, entries, etc. You have not given the details correctly here. OK. The username is this, admin, and I am also giving this username. OK. Subscribe and subscribe and subscribe and subscribe. Now if you enter the details about the website, then I do it from here. I have to copy it, keep the username also saved, keep the password, this is the password, I put it in these. OK, I keep it in the email, admin, and the name of this website, xindia, I put this one in front of it. OK, let me install it and click on Install WordPress. It has been installed. Here, if I click on it, the username will be my. This is the username and this is your password. Enter this and click on Login. Now you are logged into your dashboard. After logging into the dashboard, I will tell you all the things in the upcoming videos. A complete course will come on how to make a website. I will tell you all the things like SSL of e-commerce, etc. So if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you will be posted on the website about how you can configure Webmin and set up WordPress. A post has also been put up here regarding Webmin installation. All the steps are shown here through screenshots, so you can see that too, and thank you for watching this video.